Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the Beverly Hills Cop Nova. And while progress on this model has taken a lot longer than I anticipated, I feel like I'm finally on the home stretch now. In the last video, I had the engine weathered and dusted, and now I have the transmission to go with it, and so it's been installed. And with that, I have the chassis just about finished now. The exhaust pipe is scratch built up to the muffler, which this is the crossover from the original kit. I just cut off the tailpipe that came out this side, this entire pipe, and then this one is made from a section of 80 mil styrene rod, and then added the appropriate rusting, dusting, and other discolorations to it. So once that was installed, I could finally glue the rear axle and the drive shaft in place, and did that this afternoon. So once this is completely set up, I will be able to put the wheels on it, put it right side up, and finish work on the engine. And even more importantly, I now have the body just about finished. I've got all the paintwork done. I've got the trim on both sides added to it. Got mud splashes, rust marks, all the photo etched emblems where they should be. Got the engine bay and the louvers on the cowl painted. And it's looking pretty close at this point. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how this has come along. Like I said, it's taken a lot longer than I wanted it to, but like I said, I can finally see the light at the end of the tunnel on this. And yeah, so I'm going to be working on getting the engine finished, getting all the major components together, and then at that point, there'll just be bits of trim and some other miscellaneous small parts to put on it. So I will probably not have it finished next week. Next week I will probably be posting a review of another vintage kit that I came across today. But shortly after that, hopefully the following week, I will have what I'm tentatively hoping will be the final update to this build. So check back then, and thanks for watching.